Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Info. Today I will discuss about Introduction to Scratch. Please subscribe my channel and yes, don't forget to like, comment and share. Scratch is a block-based visual programming language that allows students to create their own interactive stories, games and animation. It was designed by the MIT Media Lab's lifelong kindergarten group. It is the best educational programming software available today. The software make it easy for anyone to start developing their programming and problem solving skill. Scratch is a open source software. To download it, follows these steps. At first, open Google, type Scratch programming. It will show various links. Click on Scratch. It will open the official web page of Scratch. Click on Windows Download. Your download will begin. After completing download, open it and installed. Now we are discussing about the components of Scratch window. The topmost bar is known as menu bar. Here you can see the menus like File, Edit, Tips, About. Clicking the green flag will start your program and clicking the red stop sign will stop it. These are called tabs like scripts, costumes, sounds. The text field at the top of the editor contains the project name. After you have saved your project, the file name shown here. You can program a sprite by adding code blocks to the scripts area. Sprites appear on the stage. You access the code blocks from the blocks area. Each sprite has its own scripts. When you click the sprite in the sprite list, let's start creating our first Scratch program. First of all, go to event block, click and drag when clicked. Now go to control block, take forever. Go to motion block, take move 10 steps, change it to 30 steps. Drag turn 15 degree. Now click on green flag to run the project. For stop project, click on red button. Now we are moving to another project. At first, go to event block, drag and drop when clicked. Now go to control block, take repeat 10 and change it to 25. Now go to motion block and take move 10 step, change it to 20 steps. Take turn 15 degrees. Now go to pen block, drag and drop pen down and take set pen size to 1 and change it to 10. After that, take change pen color by 10 and change it by 20. Our program is ready. Now click on green flag to run the program. Here you can see our sprite drawing a colorful circle. Now we are moving to another project. At first, we create a duplicate copy of this sprite. Now turn the sprite to left side. Go to costume tab and turn this sprite. Again we come to scripts tab. Now click on sprite 1 Go to event block and click and drag when clicked. Now go to control block, take repeat 10, change it to 30. Go to looks block, take next costume. Again we go to control block and take wait 1 seconds. Change it to 0.1 seconds. Again we go to motion block, take move 10 step and change it to 8 step. Go to looks block, take say hello for 2 seconds and change it to 5 seconds. Our program is ready. Now click on green flag to run the program. Here you can see our sprite is moving and say hello to another sprite. Now we are moving to another project. At first we delete our sprite and take a new sprite. Click on new sprite button, choose a ball and click OK. Now go to event block and drag and drop when click. Now go to control block, take forever. After that go to motion block and take move 10 step and also turn 15 degrees. Now change it to 2 degrees. In the bottom side you can see if on edge bounce, take it. Now our program is ready. Click on green flag to run the program.